Hey y'all, this is Vic. Hey, thank y'all so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. I've been missing in action for a while. Life changes, and I just hadn't had time to get out here in the shop. And well, I've had time to get in the shop, just hadn't had time really to set up and do any video and stuff. My shop's a mess. I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, which I put a lot of stuff on Instagram. I know a lot of people don't like Instagram, but I enjoy it. It's easier to get you know, my little brags out there and what I'm doing and what I did. But anyways, that bottom shelf right there is blue, Big Vic blue. Used to be two white shelves that hung up there, and I had all my stuff in it. I took and sandwiched, built a bigger shelf, bought me a bunch of these, well, let me turn around so you can see it. A bunch of these little clamps that you mount to the bench and then pop them down. I took all my 1x30s, Lord have mercy how many bench grinders I had. I got a bunch. I still got a few that ain't even over here. But put 1x12 boards on them. Set these clamps up on the top so that I can clamp them down. Store them up underneath. I hadn't really got tested out much. My little 1x42 Craftsman saw. You probably saw it on Instagram. I really like it. That thing's gonna come in handy. Anyways, I've been doing my part and watching videos. I don't get to comment as much, but I do watch the videos and saw that there was a screwdriver challenge, and I like challenges. So me and old Copper Girl, where's she at? There she is. She's always close by. We're gonna see what we can do. So hope you enjoy it. It's good to see you, and I don't know how many videos I'll be putting out in the near future, but I will always be a part of this community and really enjoy it. So y'all hang tight. Let's see what we come up with. I moved my wood lathe, so all my wood where I'm used to having it is gone. So let's look at that. May be perfect. I'm gonna make kind of like a little machinist screwdriver, I think. Some leopard wood. So we grab that. Let's see what we got here. That right there might be the ticket. Yeah, so we'll use this little thing, make us like a little machinist screwdriver, or not a machinist screwdriver, but a small screwdriver in this right here. So watch your ears. A little fair on it. I'm gonna put me some of this walnut oil here. You just get this at your Publix if you got one. Come back, we'll see it all together. All right, so here's what I've come up with. That leopard wood is just beautiful, ain't it? A little over about 5 inches total, I think. Yep, and the handle is 2 3/4. So just a little small screwdriver. Anytime you need it. The grind ain't perfect. You can see where I didn't get it too even. Tip came out pretty good though. Boy, I'm out of practice on it and the wood lathe. Y'all wouldn't believe me if I told you I hadn't turned that wood lathe on in it's almost 2 months, I guess. But look at that wood. Ain't that beautiful? That exotic wood is cool. I love it. Hope y'all enjoyed it. That's my entry. I always love a challenge. I appreciate Scoutcrafter for all he does for us. And hey, catch y'all on the next one. Don't know when that'll be, but hopefully sometime soon. Y'all have a good one. Thank you.